Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to change your Google account profile picture. Now, this is the same profile picture you will see on your Google account when you're using any of Google's related services. You can change it in Google App Services, and you can also do this through your settings on your Android device. Let's say you're using one of Google's services. You can click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen, and you see the option to manage your Google account in this section. And when you click on this will take you to your Google Account Center. This is one way to get to your Google Account Center. Now, you can also go to settings on your Android phone. And under settings, you want to scroll till you find Google. You can also search for Google in the search section. Tap on Google. Now, tap on your email and you see manage your Google account. Tap on this and this will take you to your account center. In your account center, tap on personal information. Under personal information, you'll see profile picture. Tap on your profile picture here and tap on change. Now, if you do not have a current profile picture you want to add, Google allows you to search illustrations, which you'll find illustration related to what you search. And you can also pick from some of their popular illustrations in this section. If you have pictures backed up to your Google Photos, you can tap on Google Photos and you'll be able to view them. If you want to upload directly from your device, tap on Device Photos and then tap on Browse or Take a Photo. And you'll be able to find files in your phone root directory. Now, once you have selected a file, allow it to finish uploading and you can adjust your profile picture in this section. You can also rotate if you want to rotate. When you're done, tap on Next. You'll be able to set the visibility. So tap on the visibility section. You have two options here, which is anyone and people you interact with. With people you interact with, this info is visible to people you interact with in Google services. For example, if you share an album in Google Photos or a chat in Google Chats, select your preferred option. Now tap on Next and tap on Save. And your profile picture will be updated. Now, if you're using a device that isn't showing you the same features as this, you can open your browser on the phone, sign in into your Google account on the browser. You want to search for Google accounts. Tap on the first option, which is Google account sign in. And here you see personal info. You'll be able to follow through the same steps in this section. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.